In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the E2 optical encoder. Let's head over to the assembly lab. The E2 is often installed on NEMA 17 or 23 motors. We set up this assembly using a NEMA 17. Be sure that the bottom of the centering tool is flush with the mounting surface and then tighten the mounting screws. We suggest you keep your finger on the centering tool while securing the screws. We didn't in this case, so that you could see what we were doing. Once the screws are tight, remove the centering tool. Next, we're going to install the hub disc. To make sure it's properly aligned with the module in the next step, we're going to use a spacer tool. The important thing is to make sure it's around the shaft and seated flush with the base. Place the hub disc on the shaft with the side with the set screw above the Mylar disc. Press down until it's flush with the spacer tool. Tighten the set screw with the provided hex wrench while pressing down on the hub. Once it's secure with 2 to 3 inch-pounds torque, remove the spacer tool. With the E2, the module is seated on the base with a thinner portion on the bottom. Slip the module onto the position so the 2 alignment pins in the base slip into the holes of the module. Next, place the cover over the assembly and secure it with the 2 440 by 5/8 inch pan head screws. And that's all it takes to assemble the E2. Next, you'd connect your motor and encoder up to verify that everything is working as expected. If you have any additional questions, be sure to let us know in the comments or by reaching out to us at this link, which is also in the video description. And if you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date with encoder tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel.